Example of a non-partitioned table. In non-partitioned tables by default, all queries have to scan all files in the directory. This means that Hive will need to read all of the files in a table's data directory. This can be a very slow and expensive process, especially when the tables are large. In this example, you can see that there is a state column created in Hive. The requirement is to convert this to a state-wise partition so that separate tables are created for separate states. The customer details are required to be partitioned by state for fast retrieval of subset data pertaining to the customer category. Here is an example of a partitioned table. This example shows you how the previously non-partitioned table is now partitioned. You can see that the state column is no longer included in the create table definition, but it is included in the partition definition. Partitions are actually horizontal slices of data that allow larger sets of data to be separated in a more manageable chunk. This essentially means that you can use partitioning to store data in separate files by state in this case, as shown in the example. At the time of table creation, partitions are defined using the partitioned by clause with a list of column definitions for partitioning. A partitioned column is a virtual column where data is not actually stored in the file. In this case, if you had all 50 states represented in your data, you would have 50 separate partitions, each of which could be queried independently and directly.